Hey guys, today's video, let's learn how we can fix WhatsApp microphone not working. So first of all, what you have to do is head over to your Play Store. Let's go ahead and make sure our WhatsApp application is updated as well. Search for WhatsApp. If you see update, select update. For the next step, head over to your settings application. Scroll all the way below, select apps. You also search for WhatsApp. Make sure that you have given access to microphone for WhatsApp. Select permissions and under allowed, you will see microphone. If your microphone is under don't allow, go ahead and select allow while using the app. If it's allowed, then select don't allow and then toggle it up on again, allow only while using the app. Once you do that, you have given access for a microphone. Now select storage, select clear cache, select force stop, then select OK. Restart your device, then launch your WhatsApp and it will fix your problem. So guys, this is how it's done. Thank you for watching. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon.